Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to export from Final Cut Pro. First, open your project in Final Cut Pro. Navigate to the top menu bar and click File, then hover over Share. This reveals various export destinations. Choose Master File for the most control over your output. This initial step is crucial for ensuring your final video is ready for its intended use, whether for web or broadcast. Once you select Master File, a new window appears. Here, you can customize your export settings. Under the Settings tab, choose your desired format such as H.264 for web or ProRes for higher quality. Adjust the resolution, like 1920 by 1080, and frame rate, often 24 or 30 frames per second, to match your project. These choices significantly impact file size and playback quality. Final Cut Pro offers advanced export features too. You can use rolls to export only specific audio or video tracks, which is great for sound mixers. To export a single frame, position your playhead and select File, then Share and Save Current Frame. For quick sharing, choose direct export options for platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, streamlining your workflow significantly. If you encounter issues, check your disk space and ensure all media is linked. Optimizing your project, like rendering complex sections beforehand, can significantly speed up export times. Remember to always review your exported file for quality before sharing. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.